Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook gator meat. First, let's talk preparation. Gator meat, often compared to chicken or pork, benefits greatly from proper handling. You'll want to trim any tough silver skin and excess fat. The tail meat is usually the most tender, while other cuts like the legs might be a bit tougher. Marinating is key. It helps tenderize the meat and adds incredible flavor. Aim for at least 30 minutes, but overnight is even better for maximum tenderness. Now let's explore some popular cooking methods. Frying is a classic choice, yielding delicious, crispy nuggets or steaks. Think about a light breading for that perfect crunch. Grilling is another fantastic option, imparting a wonderful smoky flavor, especially to gator tail fillets or medallions. For tougher cuts like leg meat, don't shy away from braising or stewing. Slow cooking breaks down the fibers, resulting in incredibly tender and flavorful dishes that are truly satisfying. When it comes to seasoning, gator meat is quite versatile. Cajun or Creole spice blends are a natural fit, bringing a zesty kick. Don't forget the basics like garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of paprika. For marinades, citrus juices such as lemon or lime can really brighten the flavor. Experiment with different herbs like thyme or oregano. Pairing your cooked gator with a complementary sauce, perhaps a spicy aioli or a fresh mango salsa, elevates the entire dish. Finally, here are some essential tips for cooking delicious gator meat. The most crucial advice is to avoid overcooking it. Gator meat is lean and can become tough and dry if cooked too long. Aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness and safety. Always source your gator meat from a reputable supplier to ensure you're getting a high-quality product. With these tips, you're well on your way to enjoying a truly unique and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.